One small moment can change everything. Welcome to Tadatoon, Emma's magical garden talk. In the heart of the rainbow-filled garden, where flowers sang and trees whispered jokes, lived Emma, a cheerful little pet with bright eyes and a wagging tail. One sunny morning, Emma and her parent arrived at the garden's magical playground, ready for an adventure in talking and listening. A friendly guide named Mr. Chatterbox, a colorful parrot with sparkling feathers, greeted them with a bow. "Welcome, Emma and family. Today we learn how to share our feelings and listen like true friends," he squawked happily. Emma tried to grab the shiny red ball first, but so did her parent. They both tugged and tumbled into a giggling heap. "Uh-oh, what should we do when we both want the same thing?" Mr. Chatterbox asked, tilting his head. Emma thought hard and said, "Maybe we can take turns." Next, they played the Feelings Echo game. Emma made a funny face that looked like a giggly jelly bean, and her parent guessed, "Are you feeling happy like a sunny day?" Emma nodded, and then her parent made a puzzled face. I think you're confused like a lost kitten." Emma giggled and listened closely. Suddenly, Emma felt a little grumpy because the swing was too high. Instead of shouting, she said softly, "I feel scared when the swing goes so high." Her parrot smiled and said, "Thank you for telling me. Let's find a lower swing together." They shared a hug, and the garden seemed to sparkle brighter. At the end of their magical day, Mr. Chatterbox gathered everyone for a final game. If you feel upset, what can you do? A. Yell like a thunderstorm. B. Use your words like Emma. Or C. Hide under a flower. Everyone shouted B with big smiles. Mr. Chatterbox flapped his wings joyfully and said, "Talking and listening make our hearts grow strong and happy." Emma and her parents skipped home through the rainbow garden paths, their hearts full of new words and warm feelings. They knew that every time they talked and listened, their friendship sparkled like the brightest star. Let's share our thoughts. Now let's try it together.
Can we take turns? I feel scared.
If this story helped your family, subscribe to Tadatoon for more stories that grow connection.